lights. You don't want to put a high beam either. It's just gonna reflect back.
Out in California, there's
fog. I mean,
deep fog. Sometimes.
They call them fog lights, but they really, the lights are really good for in the dark. When you're going down a dark road and you put your fog lights on, it gives you more visibility. But I never use it in the fog or snow. It's just a reflection and it's worthless. Now we get into the good stuff.
Yeah, it's this area here that's red, yellow, a little while. Well, the good thing is the truck.
That's when he's making the grooves. Yeah. Yeah, if we had the truck, it'd be different. But it's having this SUV.
Because it's heavier.
See, them 4x4 is perfect for this type of weather.
Well, Doug has a Yukon or a Tahoe.
Okay.
Or a truck.
Is it snowing down there? For Doug's house?
I think so.